In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop sharing Google Drive files publicly. So if your files in Google Drive are accessible to anyone with a link, you can easily make them private again using Google Drive. So here's how to do it step by step. Now first, open Google Drive in your browser and sign in to your account. Next, locate the file or folder you want to stop sharing. So hover over the file, click on the three dots at the right side. Now look for share and click on share. So this will open the sharing settings window. Now in the sharing window, look for general access just below people with access. If it says restricted, that means only people with access can open with a link. But if it's set to anyone with a link, that means your file is publicly accessible. So to change that, click on it, then select restricted. This will remove public access. Now, only people you manually add will be able to open the file. Now, once you select restricted, the change is applied automatically, and you can now close the window. Click on done. Now, it's important to note that anyone who had the link will no longer access the file. You can still share it privately with specific people, and changes apply instantly, as what I've said. And now Google Drive file is now private and no longer publicly shared. Thanks for watching.